Hello guys, welcome to Take Every channel. Hope you're doing well.
In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use WhatsApp account on two phones. So guys, at first you need to remove the SIM card from your second phone. Then you have to install WhatsApp from the Play Store on your second phone. And after installing WhatsApp, you have to open the app. And then you have to select the language of your choices. Then you will find an option agree and continue. You have to tap on it. And then when they say to enter your phone number, you don't need to enter your phone number there. You will see some three dot in the right side of the corner and you have to tap on it. Then you will see an option link on device. You have to tap on it. And then you will see a QR code displayed on your phone screen. And then you have to switch to your primary device to scan this code. Now I will show you how to scan this code with your primary device. So guys, at first you have to open your WhatsApp on your primary device. Then tap on the three dot icon in the right side of corner. Tap on linked devices. Now tap on link a device. Now tap on OK. And guys, then you have to scan the QR code on your secondary phone. And then finally your two phone will be connected with same number. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.